In this video I will be showing you how to add and update a vehicle health check. First, click on the View Calendar link. Now we're onto the calendar page. We need to click onto the job we would like to add the vehicle health check to. From here, we then need to click on the link at the top that says Add Update Vehicle Health Check. This is the vehicle health check sheet. It covers all 27 parts of a vehicle health check. You can either fill in the entire form or just part of it. For each part you can either choose red, amber, green or NC for not checked. If you answer amber or red, a report box will appear where you can enter why you have given it this review, a cost estimate for how much it will be to repair, and a follow-up date, if required. Once you have completed the form, click the button to generate the form. This brings up the form that you can print and send a copy of to the customer. When you click Send to Customer, a pop-up appears where you can select what customer you're sending the report to. And then select whether to send it via email or text. Then click Send to Customer. If you need to change your answer, click on Edit this report. This brings the report back up where you can make any changes required. Once you have finished making your changes, click the Save button to generate a new report.